Here's 13. It says if f of x is equal to x plus 8 over 2, find the inverse of f of x. What you're doing when you're finding the inverse is you're basically taking whatever this graph is and you're flipping it over this line. This line is y equals x. So we're flipping it over that line. Every x value is going to become a y value, and every y value is going to become an x value. That is what is occurring. Now to do this, though, we don't need to do all this. We'll do that later on. To find the inverse of f of x, it's very simple. We rewrite this equation. It says f of x. We just change that to y is equal x plus 8 over 2. We now flip the x and y. The x becomes a y, the y becomes an x. So I change that y to an x, I change the x to a y. So there's my equation. I simply switch the x and y. That's all you got to do. Now you just have to solve for y. Got to get y by itself. To get y by itself, I'm going to get rid of this dividing by 2. The opposite of that's going to be multiplying by 2. So multiply both sides by 2. So now we have 2x is equal to y plus 8. To get y by itself, all I do is I subtract 8 from both sides. 2x minus 8 equals y. This is the inverse. So we would say the inverse of the equation of f of x is 2x minus 8. That's what you have to do.